Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the ever-changing world of social media. Today, we're going to show you how to find all the photos and videos you're tagged in on Facebook using your PC. This is a simple process that will help you keep track of your online presence. First, open Facebook in your web browser and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, you need to access the settings. Click on your profile photo again, and this time, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Within the settings, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of all your activities, including posts, comments, and tags. In the activity log, you'll see a section titled Your Facebook Activity on the left side. Click on Activity You're Tagged In. This will show you all the posts, photos, and videos where you've been tagged. To specifically view photos and videos, click on Photos and Videos You're Tagged In. This will filter out other types of posts and show you only the visual content where you're tagged. You can scroll through this list to see all the photos and videos you've been tagged in. This feature is useful for keeping track of your online presence and ensuring that you're comfortable with the content you're associated with. Remember, you can always review and manage these tags to control who sees them. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily find and manage all the photos and videos you're tagged in on Facebook. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and updates on social media management. Thanks for watching.